Hey guys, Provincial Blvd Impress Computers, and today we're going to show you how to double check if your computer is compatible with Windows 11 and if you have the up to specs for TPM 2.0 security enabled on your computer. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, so let's say you are in your Windows 10 computer right now. You're going to go ahead and restart. And every single machine is different from apart from another. I'm talking motherboards and all kinds of different components. So your BIOS key to get into may be different. This one in particular is a Dell computer, and we can access it through F2 on your keyboard. So we're going to tap like so, and then you get a message to enter the BIOS. Now, if you go to the system information right here, this is a Dell computer, like I said, it will show all the specs for this machine, RAM, serial number, and all sorts of other stuff. Now, if you go all the way down, you have the processor information. This is what we mostly care. You need to have at least an 8th gen Intel Core processor, and this will have that TPM 2.0 enable feature. So pretty much if you went under security right here and you see right here TPM, you want to make sure that this is enabled. So you hit apply and it'll pretty much make a key at this point. And once you have it, then you got to make sure that it's activated. And when you exit out, then you have pretty much TPM 2.0 enabled. Alright guys, so once you get into the Windows operating system, what you want to do is you go to settings, bottom left corner of the screen, on the gear icon right here, click on that. You go to update and security, and you will have an option right here to upgrade to Windows 11. Now, this particular machine does not meet the requirements, as you can see right here, so we won't be able to do the update. But once you get that TPM 2.0 enabled, you will be able to run the Windows 10 upgrade, or you can actually install it from a flash drive. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Now keep in mind every single computer is different how you get to the BIOS. Most of them will be from F2 like this Dell computer, or the delete key on your keyboard. So you go to the manufacturer's website and you'll be able to find how to get to the TPM and enable that. But keep in mind, if you have an Intel processor, it will have to be an 8th gen at least to get the TPM 2.0 upgrade enable on the BIOS, and that way you can get Windows 11 installed on your machine. If you guys have any questions, please leave your comments down below. Give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.